everyone, it's Jasmine. Welcome to Blessed Life Thrifty Wife. Today it's been a shopping Saturday. I have made several stops today and I just finished up at the Dollar Tree with my daughter.
Dollar Tree girl!
Dollar Tree girl! That's our saying for Dollar Tree. Every time we pass one and there's like 6 near us, we say Dollar Tree girl and just repeat it and have some good laughs. But anyhow, I was so surprised. I came out to a Dollar Tree in Bowie, Maryland that I usually tend to like. It's bigger, it's usually organized and not so busy even on a Saturday. So we just finished up there. And these are some things that I found. I was really excited to see things that I have seen on other people's hauls and on their social media accounts. So without further ado, I grabbed pretty early some of these mosquito repellent bands, 3 for the family. And I think I'm going to start collecting those so that when we get in summer, we'll just have a nice big stock of these. I also found this beautiful jewel pin. I probably should have got 2, but I'm kind of selfish. So I just got 1 for me. And because I have 2 other jewel pins that I'm supposed to be sending out to a planner friend, buddy. I picked up some nail glue because I found some artificial nails that I will be putting on tonight. I have just had enough of painting my nails, redoing them over and over again. So I'm going to put some artificial nails on, call it a day. And I had to get 2 packs of these so that I could have enough variety of sizes and patterns. So I really like how there's the metallic, then this pattern, and that pretty pink. Very nice for spring. I had to pick up some sandwich bags for because we ran out, so always gotta have sandwich bags. And since I'll be doing some meal prepping tonight or tomorrow, I wanted to get a few more of these containers. Now I have probably 6 of the larger 1 compartment size that me and my husband both use, but this one is going to be for me for my protein and vegetables, so that I can get my lunches together. And let's see, the little one needed some more Kleenex, so she picked out this cute Minnie Mouse box of Kleenex. She also found these Shopkins Band-Aids. I really don't mind getting Band-Aids from the Dollar Tree, and she usually gets them when she has hardly anything wrong with her, but it's $1. You get 20 of, these character type of Band-Aids. So she's had My Little Pony, Despicable Me, that type of thing. I'm going to try these color pencils. I plan on doing some low energy relaxing activities at night as I'm trying to break a really bad habit. And so my doctor was like, oh, you should work out and things like that. I'm like, I can get in a workout usually, but I need something low energy for right before I go to bed. So like coloring or reading a book. So I got some color pencils. I found a screen guard for my husband's phone. He has an iPhone 7 Plus. So the pluses are a little bit difficult to find, but luckily I found one for him. And I got mine yesterday at a different Dollar Tree. So now we have our screen protectors for our phones. Hopefully no broken screens this time with the iPhones. That is something that like breaks my heart when our screens break. I got this scrub brush for my daughter's bathroom. Quick scrub dub before she gets in the tub. Always helps. And this one I am really excited to try. This is the chocolate hazelnut cream cookies. I saw this in someone's Instagram post. It is a limited edition and I'm like, I have got to try these. So I will probably make these tonight or tomorrow after church. And my daughter's like, tonight, make them tonight. These next items are items that I have started buying since yesterday. I work and, you know, help out in the 1-year-old's room in my church. So I've got some craft items for them for the spring and some decorations and things like that. So I had to pick up a few other items. So I picked up these clear plastic containers, and what I'm going to do, or I'll try to do, is get a small hole in there so that they can put some palms in there and they can see it down here. I mean, that's a really good fine motor skill activity for the kiddos. I picked up these these flower-shaped cutout sheets, and I'm hoping to do some spring decoration with them. Probably put the kids' names and last names, or maybe put pictures of them in the middle. And let's see, these googly eyes are for a craft activity that they'll be doing. They'll be making a lamb, so I want to put an eyeball on there with them. And this is for their take-home snack, which is going to be some little marshmallows. And that is pretty much it. I started some other stuff for them last night, and that was like $40-something, which is probably the most I've spent at Dollar Tree. And but it's a lot of craft activities, and it's for something that I'm really excited about. I love working with the 1-year-olds. It's so awesome. So let me know, what are some of the great spring items that you're finding at your Dollar Tree? If there's something you're searching for that you have not seen on the hauls, please let me know below that I can keep my eye out for. And if you love Dollar Tree hauls, please like this video. I will continue to do them a little bit more regularly. Because I started doing them before and I kept going to the Dollar Tree, but I wasn't filming videos. And when I was inside today, I was like, I should have brought my selfie stick with me so I could do a shop with me, because there were some really great things that I would have loved to show you. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can join my YouTube family. And I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.